Discovering Ladnu, a hidden gem of Rajasthan. Nestled in the heart of Rajasthan, Ladnu is a town that whispers tales of a bygone era. This quaint town, often overlooked by the bustling tourist crowds, holds a charm that is both timeless and captivating. Ladnu is a town that whispers tales of a bygone era. Its ancient temples and historical buildings stand as silent sentinels, guarding the stories of centuries past. Far from the well-trodden tourist trails, it offers a glimpse into the raw, unfiltered beauty of rural India. The quiet streets and rural landscapes paint a picture of serenity and simplicity. Ladnu is a place where time seems to move at a slower pace, where the hustle and bustle of modern life feels like a distant memory. Here you can truly unwind and immerse yourself in the tranquil surroundings, where ancient traditions hold sway, and where the desert landscape stretches out in all its stark magnificence. The vast expanse of the desert, with its golden sands and clear blue skies, is a sight to behold. This is a town that rewards the curious traveler, those who venture off the beaten path to discover its hidden gems. Walking through the ancient streets, you can feel the history and culture that permeates every corner. Those seeking an authentic experience of Rajasthan's rich cultural tapestry will find it here. The local artisans, with their traditional crafts, offer a glimpse into the region's artistic heritage. Ladnu's history is etched in its magnificent temples, each one a masterpiece of architecture and devotion. The intricate carvings and detailed artwork tell stories of faith and reverence. Its ancient forts, standing tall and proud, are a testament to the town's strategic importance in times gone by. And its vibrant festivals, filled with color and music, bring the community together in joyous celebration. Its presence is reflected in the bustling markets, where the energy and vibrancy of daily life are on full display. The markets are a sensory delight, with the sights, sounds and smells of local produce and handicrafts. The colorful bazaars and the warm hospitality of its people make every visitor feel at home. The locals, with their friendly smiles and welcoming nature, are the heart and soul of Ladnu. Ladnu is a place to lose yourself in the simplicity of rural life, to connect with the rhythms of nature and to discover the hidden treasures of this enchanting land. The daily activities of the villagers, from farming to traditional crafts, offer a glimpse into a way of life that has remained unchanged for generations. To connect with the rhythms of nature and to discover the hidden treasures of this enchanting land. The natural landscapes, with their rugged beauty, are a testament to the enduring spirit of Rajasthan. Come, let us journey together to Ladnu and uncover the secrets that lie hidden in its heart. This is a place where every corner holds a story, and every moment is a chance to create lasting memories. The arid embrace. Ladnu's landscape unveiled. Ladnu lies in the embrace of the Thar Desert, a vast expanse of arid land that stretches as far as the eye can see. This is a land of stark beauty and unforgiving climate, where the earth is parched and cracked, and the horizon seems endless. The landscape is a canvas painted in hues of gold and ochre, with the setting sun casting a warm glow over the sands. Here, sand dunes roll like waves frozen in time, their shapes constantly shifting with the whims of the wind. The sun beats down relentlessly, casting long shadows and testing the limits of endurance. The heat is intense and the air shimmers with rising heat waves. Yet even in this harsh environment, life finds a way. Desert plants and small animals have adapted to survive in these extreme conditions. The monsoon season brings with it a welcome respite, transforming the arid landscape into a verdant oasis. The rains breathe new life into the desert. The parched earth drinks deep, and for a brief period the desert blooms with an astonishing array of colors. Flowers burst forth in vibrant hues. The air, usually dry and dusty, becomes heavy with the scent of damp earth and blooming flowers. It's a sensory transformation. The sky, normally a brilliant blue, is streaked with dramatic clouds that promise life-giving rain. These clouds bring hope and renewal. This is the time when Ladnu truly comes alive, celebrating the brief but glorious monsoon season. The town rejoices in the fleeting abundance, a testament to the resilience of life in the desert. Nature's resilience. Flora and fauna of the Thar. Despite the challenges posed by the arid climate, the Thar Desert is a testament to nature's resilience. The region surrounding Ladnu is home to a surprising variety of flora and fauna, each uniquely adapted to survive in this harsh environment. Hardy shrubs and thorny trees dot the landscape, their presence a testament to the adaptability of life. Their roots reach deep into the earth in search of precious water, anchoring them firmly in the shifting sands. The neem tree, revered for its medicinal properties, is a common sight in this arid landscape. Its feathery leaves provide much-needed shade from the scorching sun, creating small oases of coolness. The desert comes alive with creatures uniquely adapted to survive in this harsh environment, each playing a crucial role in the ecosystem. Camels, often referred to as the ships of the desert, are a common sight. Their lumbering gait a familiar rhythm against the backdrop of sand dunes. These majestic animals are perfectly adapted to the desert, capable of traveling long distances without water. Gazelles, known for their speed and grace, dart across the plains, their keen eyesight an asset in this unforgiving terrain. Their agility and alertness help them evade predators and find food in the sparse landscape. Nocturnal animals such as desert foxes and owls emerge under the cover of darkness, their senses heightened to navigate the cool desert night. These creatures have adapted to the cooler temperatures of the night, avoiding the scorching heat of the day. The Thar Desert, though seemingly barren, teems with life that has adapted and thrived in this challenging environment, showcasing the incredible resilience and diversity of nature. An abode of faith. Jain heritage in Ladnu. Ladnu holds a special significance for the Jain community, with numerous temples dedicated to Jain Tirthankaras scattered throughout the town and its surrounding areas. These temples, some dating back centuries, stand as testaments to Ladnu's rich spiritual heritage. The intricate carvings that adorn the temple walls narrate stories from Jain scriptures, bringing to life the teachings of Jainism. Pilgrims from far and wide flock to these sacred spaces, seeking solace and spiritual enlightenment within their hallowed halls. One such temple, renowned for its architectural grandeur, is the Jain Glass Temple. This architectural marvel, with its intricate glasswork and shimmering mosaics, is a testament to the devotion and artistry of the Jain community. The temple's interior, bathed in a kaleidoscope of colors, creates an ethereal ambience, transporting visitors to a realm of peace and tranquility. Festive spirit celebrating life in Ladnu. The spirit of Rajasthan is best experienced during its vibrant festivals, and Ladnu is no exception. The town comes alive with color, music and dance as locals and visitors alike come together to celebrate. One such festival, deeply rooted in the region's agricultural heritage, is the Tej Festival. During Tej, women dress in brightly colored attire, adorning themselves with intricate henna designs and traditional jewelry. They swing on beautifully decorated swings, singing traditional songs that celebrate the arrival of the monsoon and the promise of a bountiful harvest. The desert air reverberates with the sounds of laughter, music, and the rhythmic beat of drums. The festival is a testament to the resilience and joyous spirit of the people, who find reasons to celebrate even in the face of adversity. From the earth, agriculture and rural life. Agriculture forms the backbone of Ladnu's economy, with the majority of its inhabitants engaged in farming and related activities. The fertile land, nourished by the annual monsoon rains, yields a variety of crops, including wheat, cotton and mustard. Life in rural Ladnu revolves around the rhythms of nature. Farmers tend to their fields with a deep respect for the land, their knowledge passed down through generations. The sight of farmers working in the fields, their silhouettes outlined against the setting sun, is a testament to their hard work and dedication. The pace of life here is unhurried, governed by the cycles of sowing and harvesting. Evenings are a time for families to gather, sharing stories and strengthening the bonds that tie them together. The simplicity of rural life in Ladnu offers a refreshing change of pace from the hustle and bustle of city life. Beyond the fields, glimpses of Ladnu's charm. While temples and festivals offer a glimpse into Ladnu's spiritual and cultural heritage, the town's charm extends beyond these prominent landmarks. Strolling through the bustling local markets, one encounters the true essence of Ladnu's vibrant community. The air is filled with the aroma of spices, the sound of vendors hawking their wares, and the sight of colorful fabrics piled high. Here, one can find everything from intricately crafted handicrafts to fresh produce, each item reflecting the skill and artistry of the local artisans. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the town, Ladnu takes on a magical quality. The sky erupts in a riot of colors, painting the sand dunes in hues of orange, pink and purple. It is in these quiet moments, as the day surrenders to night, that one truly appreciates the raw beauty and tranquility of Ladnu. Ladnu beckons, a journey to remember. Ladnu, with its stark beauty, rich cultural heritage, and warm hospitality, offers a unique travel experience. It is a place to escape the ordinary, to reconnect with nature, and to immerse oneself in the rich tapestry of rural Rajasthan. The town's ancient temples whisper tales of bygone eras, while its vibrant festivals offer a glimpse into the soul of its people. The vast desert landscape, both daunting and beautiful, serves as a constant reminder of nature's enduring power. Ladnu is a destination that stays with you long after you've left, its memories etched in your heart. It is a place that beckons you to return, to explore further, and to discover more of its hidden treasures. So come, answer the call of Ladnu, and embark on a journey that will stay with you forever.